Hello and welcome to Parris RV. I'm Brett Parris. Today I'm going to show you a super cool brand new floor plan from Highland Ridge RV. This is a 2019 Mesa Ridge Limited, and the floor plan is called a 275 RLS. And basically what that means is it's a rear living trailer, but it's also got two slides, one on each slide, so it makes that rear living area just feel super big, and it's got a great big island. We're going to get to that in just a minute. Let's go over a few of the exterior features. One of the things is it's got a power tongue jack. That's really nice, substantially better than, manually cranking up a jack. Check out the front fiberglass cap. That's a lot better than just having rolled fiberglass come down over the front. Not only does it look cool, but it's super durable. Plus, it's got really nice LED lights and stuff in it, which make it look nice after dark. Check out the nice fiberglass laminated exterior. This is the very best in an RV right now. Something like that on a trailer is substantially better than aluminum skin. You've got frameless windows. These frameless windows are the very best in towable RVs right now. The ones with the frames have the metal goop and everything coming around them, and they crack and it looks nasty. That's just a lot better. Plus, this brand new Mesa Ridge has a Wi-Fi RV link, and it's engineered and pre-wired for a router and a Wi-Fi extender. So if you're somebody who likes to stream movies or something, it's nice to have that. So it's already got that right there. Check out the aluminum steps. One of the options on RVs is just to have steel steps. Well, guess what? Those things rust. So it's nice to have aluminum steps. They just roll up. It's got a thermal package weather shield, which basically means that it's good in cold weather. This is an extended season camping vehicle. All of the underbelly is completely enclosed in a sealed heated compartment, and it's designed to go out in the cold weather. That's really, really nice. Check out these two awnings. With this slide out here, a lot of RV manufacturers would go ahead and short you and only put in a little tiny one from here forward, or maybe they put one over the slide and it only goes out so far, and this takes away from your patio space. Well, not Mesa Ridge. You've got one awning that's a power awning with an LED light. You push a button, out goes that awning, and then guess what? You got a second one that's on the exterior of the slide out. You hit a button, out goes that awning, and it's also got another LED light. So if you're after hours, you want to put your lawn chairs out here, do a little cooking, maybe grab your favorite beverage out of the fridge. You got a place here to get water, hot and cold. Just a real nice little entertainment area out here. Plus, maybe head on down to one of our retailers, grab an inexpensive LED. You could mount it here. It's got cable hookup. It's got satellite hookup. Everything you need right there, ready to go. So now we're going to head on into the 275 RLS Mesa Ridge Limited. But I want to point out something real quick. This particular coach is pet friendly, which means that it has no floor registers and no carpet. Let's go check it out. Okay, so now we're inside the pet-friendly Mesa Ridge Limited, and I talked just a minute ago about no registers in the floor to get their nails caught in, plus no carpet, so even into your slide-outs. Notice how it's got a flush floor slide-out and no carpet even to the wall. Most brands of RVs are going to put a carpet strip here and carpet inside of the slide-out. Well, guess what? Mesa Ridge is pet-friendly. They give you a nice checklist here, pet-friendly camping checklist, pet food, travel bowls, toys, treats, kennel, crate, dewormer, whatever. This is a nice checklist to help you make sure and bring the things that are important to you and your pet. But check it out right here. Water and food bowl for your furry friend. Right there in the Mesa Ridge. Okay, now let's get to the kitchen. Look at this kitchen. Nice, solid surface countertop, undermount stainless farm sink. This is really nice and residential. If you want to go ahead and go like this and scoop stuff into there, that's good. Undermount stainless is just like home. Check out the high-end appliances with the integrated cooktop right here. Your knobs are all lit up, which is nice. You've got a stainless steel package. Black is standard, stainless is the upgrade. In a Mesa Ridge, you get the upgrade. Solid surface over here. Look at the nice counter space here. Plus, not only do you have this, and not only you have this great big island, but you've even got this little, I'm going to call it a buffet hutch over here with big drawers and doors and everything over here. Tons of storage. It's really, really nice. Plus, pantry. We all need a pantry, right? Look at the size of that pantry. Really, really nice. Here we've got a nice TV. Plus, we've got a nice sound system. We can Bluetooth to it. So if you want to stream movies, maybe talking about that Wi-Fi router earlier, you can do USB, put a movie in there, AM, FM, CD. You got nice speakers. You got a fireplace right here. The nice thing about the fireplace is it gives you free electric heat. So, you know, fireplace, a lot of people look at it and go, I don't really need that. But guess what? If you don't want to burn propane, you can heat the back of this trailer with that fireplace right there. This great big sofa is going to pull out to a bed, which is really nice. And then check it out. After a long day of hiking or doing whatever you're doing, come back in here. Look at that. We've got heat and massage recliners, theater seat recliners, so that you can watch TV and hang out, you know, in style. Nice big freestanding dinette here. It's got a nice leaf that pulls out. One of the things I love about the bathroom is obviously it's all on one side. You got a nice side aisle bath, but I was super impressed with the shower. You know, a lot of them just have that corner shower that's rounded with the doors. I really like that it's got the nice glass shower door. It's a big shower. You got a full surround. You've got a real nice sprayer. That's upgraded over a lot of RVs that I've got. Plus, you've got a nice skylight up here. You know, you got lots of storage, counter space. Counter space is pretty rare in a trailer. Storage, nice bathroom. Let's go check out the bedroom. So now we're inside the bedroom of the 275 RLS. I'm going to show you a few things here. Notice this. We've got a shirt closet, storage, and a shirt closet. A lot of brands will cheat you and not put any closet here, or just put a shelf. Not a Mesa Ridge. They give you closets all the way across the top. Plus, you've got nightstands on both sides with pull-out drawers on both sides, which is really nice. You've got USB outlets up here, so if you want to charge your phone or something, you can right here. Plus, right here, you've got a little place here where you can throw the old campfire clothes and stuff out. It's got you know, you can put your laundry outside the bedroom. And then you get over on this side, and look at this. Another really nice storage. You know, most trailers are not going to have something like that in the bedroom of a travel trailer. So really, this has just got a ton of storage in the kitchen, a ton of storage in the bedroom. If you want to learn more about this or any RV, you come down and see me at Parris RV.